Do you see a big challenge on your horizon? And are you trying to prepare for the change or are you avoiding it? What if I asked you one powerful question around this, guided you forward without judgment, without guilt, without shame, but with greater confidence? I have that powerful question that will support you in this brewing storm. And that's what we're going to embrace here today. I'm Laura Clark, purpose and vision alchemist and creator of the Oracle of the Lake, and also the founder of the Oracle Wisdom Collective. I help women who have disconnected from themselves, not because they're tried to, but because of life, and embrace who they are in this place in their journey, strengthen their self trust and their sense of self worth so that they can begin living the life they know they are meant to do. Oracle cards are not here to predict your future, and they don't tell you what to do. They're not here to replace your own intuition, but instead, these cards are a mirror. They're an invitation to see something differently that you weren't able to see a moment ago. If you enjoy Oracle cards or are interested in learning more about them, are ready for greater awareness, and greater self leadership to live your life confidently and with purpose. Subscribe now so that you don't miss future insights and support. So let's explore the brewing storm, right? The brewing storm. You might actually see it coming at you, figuratively, literally, or you might just have this sense underneath something's just not copacetic. What this card invites us to pay attention to is what is gathering beneath the surface. And the questions to support you is this: what are you sensing that you've been trying to ignore? And what are you seeing that you want to avoid? Let's face it, we don't like challenges. We want to avoid them at all costs. But what are you seeing that you want to avoid? So answer this for yourself today, because the goal is not to find the perfect answer. It's to reflect so that you see things a little differently and get a new kernel of gold to help you assess and transcend any challenge. That's what the Brewing Storm wants you to know. So if you'd like to learn more about the Oracle of the Lake deck or join us inside the Oracle Wisdom Collective, you'll find the links in the description below. And until next time, please remember your worth, trust your wisdom, and live on your own terms.